Built to perform. Designed for excellence. That's the promise of Kia. Every Kia vehicle deserves parts that match its precision engineering. Only genuine Kia spare parts can deliver the perfect fit, long life, and trusted performance. At Smart Parts Exports, we make these authentic parts available worldwide. From India to every corner of the globe, our spare parts ensure your Kia stays as powerful and reliable as the day it was built. No compromises on safety, no shortcuts on quality. Just original Kia spare parts you can trust for every journey. Because genuine parts don't just maintain your car, they protect your drive, your family, and your performance. Smart Parts Exports, exporting Kia genuine spare parts worldwide. Thank you for watching. Subscribe us for updates on authentic spare parts for all your vehicles.